Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Studio Rays. Alright guys, this is spring season, and as you know, with the spring season, there's spring shopping. Alright, so right over my shoulder, you guys, you can see I got a bunch of boxes. Wife just picked up a lot of stuff for the yard, outdoor furniture. So I'm gonna do a time lapse on putting it together, and then I'm come back and tell you what I think about it. All right, she picked up all this stuff at Big Lots. Got 20% off. She's claimed she got a real good deal and she couldn't resist. So again, that's what wifey wants, wifey gets. All right, so this is boys in the toys, and this is gonna be yard toys. All right, outdoor furniture. Stay with me. We got a lot of boxes to unpack, a lot of things to put together. All right, so let's get the video started. All right guys, we got 4 boxes here. That turns out to be about 4 videos I'm gonna be doing. Each independent, showing you what it takes to put it together, the look of it, and our opinion on how it is. Actually, my wife will come back and let you know how it is. So if you guys looking for some type of yard outdoor furniture, you're interested in this type of model, stay tuned. We'll put it together. We'll show you how I'll show you how it's put together. Any issues, I'll bring it to your attention, and we'll look at the quality. All right, this is the season to pick up all your stuff before summer kicks in. So stay with us, subscribe, and hit that like button for this video. All right, boys in their toys, got some yard toys. Let's get to it. Guys, when you do your setup, when you get the directions, you're gonna see G, E1, E2. You can look on the boxes itself. It's all labeled here and the big box, so you know exactly what the bars you need to deal with. So right now I'm gonna open these up and follow directions as far as how I'm gonna put this together. Alright guys, what I want to bring to attention for step 1, again, you got to get E1 and E2. This is E2 and this is E1. Alright, you got to get it set up, and you can see the arrows have it pointing straight up. Alright, you got to put the 2 screws here, one here, and one here, and one there. Make sure when you stand in front of it, they stay in this little piece has to go that to the right when you're setting it up. Alright, so that's step 1 on putting this thing together. So I just want to bring that a little closer to you. Alright, E1, E2, and make sure this part faces that way. Alright guys, the next step is you have to put up section D, which is this one right in front, and all you're gonna do is attach the screws. There's already holes there, you'll see it, to get this other panel up. So that's what I just did on getting this connected. Alright, so 4 screws holds up section D here. Alright, so let's continue on. Alright, so we got E1, E2, and D. Alright guys, next one, this last one is number F. F is your door. Again, same as before, just going to use your screws and connect it right here. Alright, 4 screws. Alright, and it looks like that completes our table platform setup. I think the next thing I have to do is hook up the bottom. Now the bottom, or the what do you call it? The tabletop, that is extremely heavy. Alright, so make sure, and when you do it, make sure you don't do it on top of this piece of cardboard to help protect it. Alright, I'm glad I kept this, using this as a platform to put your stuff together, because you don't want to scratch it up. Alright, so let me try to get that over there. I got my boys inside, so I'm gonna ask them to come out and help me probably lift it and put it into place if I can't do it myself. Alright, so let me continue on. Alright guys, I just want to show you something a little closer. When you attach your bottom to your table, there's going to be these 2 holes plus another hole here. That coincides with a lip that's on your table here, or your table base. Let's see if I can show you guys. So, oops. Alright, right there. See that little lip? That's going to have to go in that hole, so you make sure everything's lined up properly. Alright, gonna set up the burner. As you can see, this is how it looks. On the propane line. Now, the directions telling me to make sure I have it facing the right direction. Alright, toward the door. Here's the door. Alright, so the knobs have to face toward the door when I set it in. Alright, so let me just get that going. Alright guys, as you can see, I got it all installed. The flame is up. I didn't throw the lava rocks in there just yet because I wanted to show my way through the dent on it right there, but overall it's not that bad. You can't really notice it. Alright, and again, when you come inside, you set your tank up in here. Alright, and there's your settings here. Right here, you have to unscrew this to put a AA battery in here to make so you have your ignition. So they didn't really say that in the directions, but it's a AA battery that goes in here. So just turn this off, slip it in. The negative goes inside, and screw it back on, and that'll be ignition for to light your propane. All right. And this is the setup, guys. Alright, it's all set up. Let me throw the lava rocks in now. this is all set up now. Give you a metal top for it when it's not being used, but here it is. This is how it looks. As you can see, fire's going. So forgive the airplane going overhead. All right, but overall, this is how the whole thing looks.